in here.
Okay, so we're making a video. We just watched a slasher movie, and yeah, we're trying to get a picture of
The slasher's face?
the guy's face, and it's really weird. So here, I'm like rewinding and pausing it.
Oh, wait. This is not for the squeamish.
Oh yeah, don't watch it. Okay, you gotta hold the camera because I'm gonna do it.
This is not, it's for
Okay.
squeamish.
Rewind. Ew.
Ew, gross her face.
Okay,
Keep going a little bit.
wait a minute. Play.
Oh my god! Just let it play through the whole thing.
Okay, play.
Now rewind to the back to the start again.
Okay,
Are we gonna bring this into a kid?
oh my god. Should we put this on YouTube?
Play.
Okay. Oh my god.
That's really good.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, don't take
I'm
this.
gonna show my mom.
Wait, take this.
Take what?
I'm gonna take a picture of it with this.
Okay.
For Katie. Hey, Katie!
Whoa.
More innocent.
Oh my god, this is so creepy. Look at this. Here. Okay, wait, I want to show it on the video.
Okay.
Show the picture you took with your camera. Phone, whatever that's called. Ooh. Okay, take the camera. I want to go get my mom.
Okay. Let's see.
Wait a minute. Yeah.
Let's zoom in on his ugly little face.
We're making videos for YouTube.
Evil slasher face. Evil video. Oh my gosh, Jonah, why is there like 9 squares?
I don't know, my camera's messed up.
Okay, take it.
Okay. So that is the end of our video.
This is not for the squeamish, like we said.